Why aren't more people talking about these awesome AI tools for beginners? Let's change that. First up, we have Google's Teachable Machine. It's super easy and lets you train your own machine learning models. No coding required. Next on the list is IBM Watson Studio. Don't let the fancy name scare you. It's beginner-friendly and offers tons of tutorials to get you started. And then there's Runway ML. This tool's a game changer for creatives. You can experiment with AI for art, video, and more. Fourth, we have Big Mel. It simplifies complex machine learning tasks. Trust me, you'll feel like a pro in no time. Lastly, try out Google Colab. It's free and perfect for hands-on learning. Plus, it's backed by Google, so you know it's solid. There you have it, folks. 5 must-have AI tools to kickstart your journey. Start exploring today, and who knows? You might just create the next big thing in AI. Like and subscribe for more AI tips. Catch you later.